Zelda?
Yeah. More?
Sleepy, you're pathetic. You're licking watermelon juice.
Yummy. She just shoves them in her mouth. Look at her mouth is so full. She wants more. More, please. More, please. What do you want more? Watermelon? Say watermelon.
Wow.
Watermelon. Yes, very good.
Please.
Please.
Okay.
What about thank you? Oh, that was thank you. Is it yummy? Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy? What's that?
It's watermelon, the only thing that makes summer happy. Right, Sally?
Finished.
Finished? You want more? No.
Don't spill, Summer. No. Be careful. Don't spill the juice out.
More what?
More water? Watermelon. Watermelon. She's like, I can't wait.
Okay.